a couple dog, me know what that ain't for me. Get us a love, get us a loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me. I never said no other girls. I protect the dog, remember them sorry. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me if you.
Merge onto Boeing 401 West.
So we just came back from the beach. Like we came back to the parking spot that we were at, but we're gonna go back soon. I think we're just gonna eat something here.
I didn't give you permission.
So
You just say ghetto.
Yeah, I don't know what you get to about the
we are on our way to somewhere to eat. Like we have food, but like we're going to a picnic area so we can sit and eat.
Yeah.
So this is where we are at.
I need
A little picnic table.
Said it tastes good. I know
So
it.
this is where we ate.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, for a couple of seconds.
Need more than a few seconds. Come on.
Like you guys.
I sat in here for like most of the time, but I went outside to sit.
Oh. Yeah.
She's so boring.
You're boring. Are you dumb? That was rude. This angle's bad too, you know.
Well, Rashida, how was the beach? How was the water?
Canadian.
Don't put your face in it.
I didn't put my face in it.
Come.
Calm.
Come.
Calm.
Put your face in it. Say hi.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the water.
Yeah.
I don't
Say
want
no. I wasn't talking about the water.
Yeah, I know you're not talking about that.
Say hi.
Hi.
No,
They
put
saw
your
my
face
face
in it.
already.
No, they didn't. What is that?
It's your best friend.
I do like creatures.
No, you don't. That's
See
a
what I
big
told you?
lie.
See what I told you? Look at them. Hand around the shoulder. Daddy knows. Daddy knows what I'm talking about. He's looking at me.
What the heck is there a nest?
Somebody's in danger.
And I hope we are not to the danger.
They're walking towards
Scaring
it.
them.
Oh my god, what the heck? Anyways. Guys, how much corn are they getting? They've been standing there for the longest time. Like... Yeah, so basically I just got back. Like, literally just got back. And I came upstairs because I want to, like, clean up myself because I feel really sweaty and really, like, tired. So I'm just gonna put on my clothes to sleep. And then I'm gonna do my hair, like, for tomorrow and explain what went down today. So I'll be right back. So anyways, basically when we got to the beach, we were like, but it took us a long time to find a parking place. So we found a parking place, we walked down to the beach, and let me tell you, there were bare people. There were so much people. The fact that it's coronavirus and there's so much people, but it's like a faraway beach. The beach is called Grand Bend Beach. So yeah, it was far. It was like 2 hours. And we got there. And then we tried to find somewhere that didn't have a lot of people because who wants to be around a lot of people during coronavirus, right? So anyways, we did that. And then after, we went into the water, took a couple pictures. And then after that, we laid down, you know, relaxed. Took some more pictures, and then we're just like, you know what? We're hungry. So then after we went to go, we went back to the car to eat, right? And then, no. We went back to the car, we changed our clothes. And then what did we do after that? We went to this picnic place like 14 minutes away from the beach, and we ate on the picnic table. So that was nice, even though there was like a bunch of bugs. And I was just like, yeah, no. And what?
What's that? Mirror.
What mirror?
You know, these, are you recording with me?
Yeah.
Let me get that mirror.
Which one?
The one with the handle.
And
Never mind.
okay, I know what you're talking about. But anyways, yeah, so we ate at the picnic tables, and then after that we went home. We left. Huh?
Where is it?
Right here.
Oh, thank you.
But yeah, that was pretty much it. We went home. We are home now, and I'm about to take a shower. I kind of just want to end this right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Hopefully go to the mall maybe, or like have a picnic with one of my friends. I don't know yet. I'm gonna actually ask one of my friends when I'm done in the shower. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this section of the vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the vlog. But yeah, anyways, see you guys tomorrow, I guess, hopefully. Adios. Hey guys, what's good? What's poppin'? So, I didn't get to film yesterday, which I'm disappointed because I wanted to. But you see, the problem is, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. I don't have a camera, okay? I'm recording with an iPad. I'm recording with an iPad. Therefore, I can't be bringing my iPad everywhere I go, right? So, I wanna get a camera so I can film and stuff and like go around Toronto and stuff and film for you guys. But you know, I can't do that with this iPad, right? So yeah, that's why I didn't get to film yesterday. And I can't use this phone because literally my storage is full and I'm still like trying to get rid of stuff. So that's that. But I'm going to explain to you guys what we did yesterday. So yesterday, me and my sister went on Bathurst and Bloor around my mom's work. And we went out with her friends from track. So we met up at Bathurst Station, I think. Yeah, and then we went to chat time, and after that we sat down and like we drank our drinks by like this store, and then we just looked around like all the stores, and we took they took pictures or whatever, and then we walked to the park, and we were just like, oh, should we like get food and then come back to the park? Hold on. It's one of my neighbors. They're always like driving around with their motorcycle. He's like rapping. But anyways, so like we went to the park and we was like, should we get food and then come back to the park? So that's what we did. We went to get food, and then we went back to the park, and we were there until like 9ish, like it was almost 10. And then one of my sister's friends got ice cream, and then we waited for it to finish, and by then it was like, I'm telling you, it was like probably like 10 by then. Like it was dark outside. And let me tell you the flurry that happens down there. But anyways, when we were finished, we went home, and yeah, that was basically my day. And then the worst part is that I go back to work, guys. I go back to work. Today is Sunday. I go back to work tomorrow. I had a whole week off of work, guys. A whole week off of work. And I go back to work tomorrow. I mean, get that bread, get that head, then leave. At least I'm getting my bread, but I wish that my vacation was longer, but it's okay, I love my job, and that's all that matters. Anyways, I don't know, I might film tomorrow, maybe, hopefully, so I guess stay tuned for that. I don't even know what I'm gonna do tomorrow at work. I finish at 5, so I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos, because I'm working on getting a camera, so they'll be better, and I'll be posting more often. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Maybe you guys might see stuff today, maybe you guys might see stuff tomorrow, maybe you guys might not see anything. Maybe this is really the end of the video, I'm not sure, but yeah, bye.
Summer, so you know she got it lit, yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl, summer, so you know she got it lit.
Look, handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me, I love my